At ACRO Automation Systems, we provide custom manufacturing solutions to customers worldwide. This video shows multiple pieces of equipment to convey and press a rear axle. The first step in the process in this video is to manually load a left and right axle tube along with the corresponding housing onto a fixture that is carried along a conveyor. The shuttle stops at the next station where two air cylinders advance custom rotating dispense nozzles that apply a specific amount of thread locker inside both axle tubes. The dispense nozzles retract and the whole plate shifts to the side and then inward again to position cameras that verify that the thread locker has completely covered the specific areas. The plates retract and the conveyor moves the fixture to the end of the line. A transfer robot moves into position above the fixture, removes all three parts sequentially, and transfers them to the next station while retaining the individual clocking. In this step, the robot places the two tubes and the housing into the first set of pressed tooling nests. The system captures the differential housing and presses one tube into the housing. The next robot in line removes the partial assembly and tube from the press, then transfers them to a mirror image press seen in the background, where the opposite hand tube is pressed into the differential assembly. The completed axle is then transferred to a laser gauge station where specific features are checked for exacting tolerances. From here, the axle will transfer to the slug weld line, not shown here. This overhead view gives you a better look at the robots and processes included in this axle press cell.